Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech, and in this video we are going to learn how you can easily mute someone in the UpScrolled application using your smartphone. First of all, launch open your UpScrolled application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of the app, go ahead and tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the search bar at the top, type in the name of the person you want to mute. After finding the person, go ahead and tap on their name, and once you get to their profile, tap the three dots right next to the mail icon at the top right, and from the pop-up, select mute. Click on the mute button in the confirmation dialog box and you'll be able to mute the contact. The user has now been muted successfully. After you mute them, you won't be able to see their posts or scrolls. You won't receive notifications from them, and they won't know they have been muted. So that's how you can easily mute someone on UpScrolled. If you ever want to unmute the person, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, get to your profile page, and then click on the gear button at the top right. And inside the settings menu, select muted user, and from the muted users list, tap on unmute right next to the muted contact. Right after you do that, click on unmute in the pop-up and you'll be able to unmute the specific someone if you ever change your mind. So that is how you successfully mute and unmute someone on UpScrolled. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.